Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and freeing adequate space. This prevents corrupt files later. Once done, connect the flash drive and format it to apps or Mac OS extended, journaled, depending on your Mac OS. Make sure Imovie is closed. Next, find Imovie in the Applications folder and the Imovie library inside your Movies folder. Those two items hold the app and your projects. You copy those to the drive, so you can move both app bundle and media together and preserve project links. Now you copy carefully to preserve permissions, metadata, and resource forks. In Finder, Option drag to duplicate Imovie. App and the Imovie library to the flash drive. However, for reliability use terminal, ditto v source, destination, or rsync to keep extended attributes intact. Once copied, eject then reconnect the drive and hold Option while launching Imovie to choose the external library. Or open Imovie and use File Open Library, other to point to the library on the drive. This maintains project links and large media. Finish by launching Imovie from the flash drive and test multiple projects to confirm media paths remain intact and playback works. If some clips are offline, use File Consolidate Library to copy referenced media into the external library so everything stays together. Before regular use, keep a backup on another drive. If Imovie fails to open or shows missing frameworks, reformat the drive to the recommended scheme, run first aid in Disk Utility, and if needed, reinstall Imovie from the App Store. That single step fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.